we have very interesting people with us. And she's from Mumbai. She's from Haryana.
I'm from Kolkata.
She's from Kolkata. And he's from Haryana. So काफ़ी सारे लोग हैं इंडिया के हमारे साथ. And we are heading for the pyramids. And we are planning to, earn some money also over there. So yeah, the scam is like, do not give your phone to someone. They will ask, like, give your phone, we'll click your picture, and then they will ask you for 50 USD. And that is something that you shouldn't be doing over there, because that's what we are doing. That's our business. So don't give your phone to anyone. Just click your own pictures, and yeah, don't pay anything to anyone. And we are paying around $40, and few people are 40 USD for this entire tour. It includes the travel expenses, it includes the showing of all the pyramids and everything. Travel guide will also be there, and we will be going for the perfume factory and papyrus factory. So all these things are included. It's a bit expensive. If you want to go on your own, I think so it will cost you around 200 to 300 Egyptian pound by doing your own Uber and going over there and booking everything on yourself. So it's on you how you want to manage your cash and everything. This is costing us around 627 Egyptian pound. So yeah, take that into consideration before booking anything. And yeah, I'll keep you updated. Hey guys, very good morning to all of you. So welcome to Aki Vlogs, and I am at the greatest architectural marvel ever built on this face of planet Earth. There are many architectural marvels, but this is one of my favorite. And for all the architects out there, this is something that you must see, and this is something that you must know about. And this is the Great Pyramid. And guys, I must say this is a place that you must visit if you are traveling via Cairo. And guys, look at the sheer size of it. Each block of this pyramid is 1.5 tons, and that is massive. And this is built 3,000-4,000 years back. I will show you what all things that you should know about a pyramid, and what all are the important things that we must know about the pyramids. And we have a travel guide also, so I will try to cover each and everything. So stay tuned and see you soon.
So the first pyramid is the stair pyramid in Saqqara, but the first complete one, the first complete pyramid is the pyramid of King Senefru in Dashur. Okay. After that, King Khufu, okay, the son of King Senefru, he ruled Egypt, and he started to build the Great Pyramid over there. So I would like to go close to the area of the Great Pyramid. And
So this was built by son of Khufu.
Yeah, this one built by Khufu or Cheops in Greek language.
Cheops, okay.
Yeah. And the first complete pyramid is called the Red Pyramid.
The Red Pyramid.
Red Pyramid.
Red Pyramid, okay. Red
Yeah.
Pyramid.
It's in Dashur, about
Okay.
25 kilometers from here.
Okay.
And the first pyramid in the history, it's called the Step Pyramid. It's like about 25 kilometer in Saqqara.
Okay.
Okay. So we can go to the area over there.
So guys, the main thing is the angular stone that you can see over there, that is limestone, and we have lots of sandstone and limestone that are being used to make this whole pyramid. And you can see the size of each block and compare it to my size. It's like I'm 6'2", and this is around near to my height. So one block is around 2 ton to 1.5 ton and even 15 tons, that as he said. I don't know about that, but yeah, so it is quite huge, and it's quite impressive that what they have built and what they have achieved over here. and when you will see the parameter of this entire pyramid, it is in a perfect straight line what they have built. And then you should see the architectural plan that I will be showing you in this video. It will be overlapped on this footage. So this has perfect symmetry and something which actually collaborates and is equivalent to the golden ratio. So golden ratio is something that you can see in all the historic monuments, and that's why I always say, like, try to plan and try to build something that is near to the golden ratio. So golden ratio, again, it will be displayed on the screen. I have explained the golden ratio in my previous videos also, and again I just want to show you the size of this entire thing. I don't know how much you can see, but because I can't see anything, it's too bright, and still unbelievable that I'm here in Egypt. So guys, we are entering the pyramids right now, and I'll just show you how it looks. Here is the massive pyramid, and here we have the entrance. Now we are descending down. You don't have proper staircase, so you have to be a bit careful. If you suddenly see camera going down very fast, imagine I'm falling.
Oh God! भाई अपना ध्यान रखो तो
Oh God. So I wasn't falling, but yeah, I'm quite quick. So guys, this is the entrance, and I'm in the pyramid. People are shouting, but it's cool. So guys, you need to squat and then run. Squat and then come down slowly.
Oh God!
Squat. So yeah, we are entering, and this passage is barely 5.5 feet, and you can see people are bowing down and walking. This is a passageway, small, and guys, I must say this is insane, and I'm moving towards the next way. I'll just show you how it looks. Okay guys, I'm moving ahead. Again, there is a hallway that you have to climb up. So yeah, let's see. I am inside the pyramid, guys. So this is just insane to see. This is the original entrance? Yes. Oh, this one is the original entrance, guys. And this is the entrance made for normal people, because definitely you can't come from that way. So we are walking inside the hallway of the pyramid. We have millions of tons of stones above our head, and we are entering this grand arena of pyramid. It's getting colder as we are going ahead. It smells weird over here, like damp feeling. It smells like, old mud houses. My God. This is the grand gallery, and you can see the mummy over here, and just this is the who explored this entire place, and This is the tomb. So this stone itself, it weighs more than a ton, and the mummy was inside it. They never found the mummy. Look at the sheer size of it. There is a billion ton of weight above my head, and this is an architectural marvel that I am talking to you about. This whole thing is supporting all the weight that is coming from the top. And guys, this is not, and this is no joke, this is no kidding. I'm just mesmerized and I can't believe I'm here and I'm doing this, I'm shooting this video, and it's just phenomenal.